Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about how to use your AutoCrit Monthly Live Academy Pass in order to enroll in the Academy's premium courses and workshops every month. First things first, you'll need to log into AutoCrit, which is going to bring you to this dashboard. From here, on the left-hand side, click on the Academy tab. This is going to take you to a snapshot of some of the courses that AutoCrit has available. Please do not click on the courses themselves or you will be asked to purchase those courses. Instead, click the My Courses button at the top of the screen. The very first tab that you will probably see in your account is the Academy Live Premium Pass. If you click on the pass and scroll down on the pass page, you will see months that are available to enroll in with your pass at no extra charge. So you can click on the course or workshop you would like to take, scroll down to the enrollment box, and click Yes, I want to enroll. From here, click Enroll Me, and the course or replay, if it's a past event, will be added to your My Courses section. So you can either click here to go directly to the course or click the My Courses section. So how do you get to the courses once you've added them, you may ask? Well, let's go back to that Academy tab again. Once you're in your Academy tab, click My Courses again. Any courses that you've used your pass to enroll in should be available here on this tab. So we can go and find our sci-fi writing course right here, and then we should have free access to everything inside it, all of the replays and course materials and links to join the live sessions. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, you can click the little help bubble in the bottom right corner of the AutoCrit site and send our human support team a message. We'll be happy to help you get up and running. If there's anything else we can do, let us know.